Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, on Friday, the job number was very disappointing in the US as the non-farm payrolls was expected to come out around 900,000 but instead the market dropped around 266,000 jobs added, and therefore saw the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, drop to an 11-week low. This has triggered right across the board bullish momentum, with the Aussie clearing the level of 78.15 after 3 attempts. There has been a clear cut, and now can actually see a further squeeze up to 78.90 and maybe in towards the 79-cent region. However, without a trend, could see this a little bit choppy and the topside target may not be achieved. But for now, I would say the bulls are determined to push this market higher. Looking at the euro, well, we're getting close to this topside target of 121.80.90 now that the dollar index has fallen and potentially could slip a little bit further. Let's see how we get, or what kind of response we get from this level, because as previously challenging this level around late February, early March was a strong rejection. We got a shooting star followed by a very large candle and therefore continued the trend to a bearish case down to 117 after the rejection of 122. So are we setting up another bear case? We'll have to see. Little price action in terms of momentum compared to other currencies. But nevertheless, the dollar yen is still looking down towards that 108.45. Now on Friday, as you can see, we did get a challenge and we did reach that level and was rejected. And therefore, the market may actually attempt to recover, but I think we may get one more down test and then see a bounce. Looking at sterling, well, the break above that 139.90 area has given us a bit more in terms of momentum and therefore looking up towards that top side. I'd rather be neutral here just in case we get a little bit of choppiness, and so the determination could be not as strong as the market may perceive. And also being neutral for sterling yen due to the break of 152, and this Marubozu candle could see a rise up towards this topside target now of around 153.5. But as I mentioned, I'd rather be sitting out for the short term. Gold did stab at its target at 1,844, but backed away, but not so much in terms of possibly seeing another challenge to this topside. Clearing 44.46 would give us further perspective up towards 1,870. The technicals are quite firm, so I'm still expecting to see some bullish challenges, that is, this week. Wrapping up with oil, well, a little bit as the market has attempted to recover from this challenge, but still holding to its bull trend, which is around 62.5, and therefore a cap around 67, and we're right middle of the range. Overall, I am still slightly convinced from the technicals that we could see a slight breakdown and see if the market can slip underneath this neck level around 64 figure 30. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to this new week.